Hey everyone, quick little balance. We all get to that spot where the anxiety builds, where the stress builds, where the anger, frustration, panic attacks, OCD kick in. So look, let's just calm down the energy. Here in Australia, the energy has been very, very heightened as stuff is going on, and dictators are sort of setting all sorts of rules, and it's hit my industry. And like everyone else, I have a choice at this point to make, and I already know what my choice is. And now I have to, I just know what I need to do. And part of what I need to do is stay centered and calm, release the fear, release the anger, release the frustration. I need to just stay true to myself, stay true to my integrity, stay true to my essential essence as a human being, so that I can move forward with grace and confidence and integrity in all that I do and believe. Otherwise, I could never live with myself. So, this is just about calm the farm, calm the farm. Okay.